Once again. Hey, Gary, this is Shahril. So you're in the mood for a little open air do?
Yeah. I love anything to do with off-road, so I want to check it out.
Why don't we go up front?
Ready?
Bring it right out.
Ready?
Roll it, brother. Bring that baby out here, man.
Awesome. Awesome. My God. I know why I drive a van.
Check it out. Everything we did with this was 100% authentic 70s. We just wanted to keep it true to its era. This paint is like you see this. We did some old lace, paint in. It's all
Totally justice. That's awesome.
It's all really a unique car.
That motor looks great.
She runs great. She drives great. It's just simple and clean and correct.
Yeah. It runs as good as it looks, man. That's gonna be pretty nice.
Well, let's take it for a ride.
All right. Sounds good to me.
Scott, we'll be back. Good luck. Be safe.
When I first saw the Minx, obviously the way it looked, the color green and the sparkles was just amazing. You don't see it very often, especially in that kind of condition, so it's just awesome.